Let's look at what is OAuth 2.0. OAuth 2.0 is a standard protocol which enables third-party services to access user data without exposing the user ID and passwords. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Twitter do use OAuth 2.0. Key concepts. There are four actors involved here: resource owner, the user who owns the data; second, client, the application which is requesting access to the resource; third, resource server, server hosting the user data; and fourth, authorization server, who is issuing the access token for getting access to the resource. Four types of grant types. The most secured and commonly used is authorization code, which is being swapped for getting the access token. There are other types like implicit, where a direct access token is granted, uh, sharing the password credentials, which is generally used for internal applications, and client credentials, when client actually tries to access its own resources. But the most commonly used is authorization code. The flow is something like: client requests authorization from resource owner, authorization server authenticates the owner and provides authorization code, client exchanges the authorization code for access token and uses that token to request the resource from the resource server. Best practices: as I said, always use authorization code grant types, store tokens securely and never expose them to public, use short lived access tokens, and use refresh tokens for long lived sessions. Implement scopes to limit token access to specific resources. So use something like a specific scope so that that token can be used by client to only access, do only certain type of activities like read only scope, or write read and write scope. Real world use cases: Google APIs, Facebook login for accessing other websites, etc. So the conclusion we can derive is a OAuth 2.0 is a very powerful framework for access delegation, and its flexible architecture makes it suitable for variety of use cases. Following the best practices ensures both security and performance in your applications. That's it for today. Thank you.